Hello, I'm Andrew with Zen Windows, and today we're going to be looking at the 3 window lines by Joyce. The Zen Lotus by Joyce, the Zen Nirvana by Joyce, and the Zen Karma by Joyce. All 3 of these window lines are 100% virgin vinyl, which means they don't have recycled materials in them, makes them nice, strong, and durable. All 3 of them are also fusion welded windows, rather than a mechanically fastened window. That makes them a stronger window and more durable as well. First off, we're going to start by looking at the Zen Lotus window. The Zen Lotus window by Joyce, offered in several different tiers: the Zen Lotus Supreme, the Zen Lotus Plus. The Zen Lotus Supreme has a foam-filled frame and foam-filled sashes and a composite material built into the frames that makes it a very, very strong window. The Zen Plus has a slightly different foam-filled frame, as you can see here. Now we'll operate the window. To make the window operate, to get some ventilation, just disengage both of those locks and you can slide up and down. The bottom sash will slide up and down, as well as the top sash. Both of these windows in a double hung window, they tilt in for easy cleaning. To tilt the bottom sash in, you just tilt the locks in a little further and that bottom sash will tilt in. You can wash that. And do the same thing with the top sash. These tilt latches, pull those in towards center, and you're set and ready to go. You can clean your windows in just a few minutes without having to put a ladder on the outside of the house or hiring the pressure washer to do so. Both those sashes will go back into place. And there's another feature of this window, which are called the night security latches here. These little guys, when I engage these, it allows you to open the window just a few inches. Sometimes folks like to use these at nighttime, or even if you have kids in the house, you want to make sure that the window can't open any wider. That's also an option for you there. The Zen Lotus window has myriad of glass packages. With just a double pane window, this window has the efficiency ratings of a triple pane window. If you're curious to know any of those NFRC ratings, contact your individual Zen Windows owner in your area to get those numbers. There are interior colors and wood grains that are available, and there are a myriad of other exterior colors. There's also a neat glass feature. I'll flip this window around so we can look at the exterior. A neat glass coating is on the exterior of these windows and makes them much easier to clean, much easier to keep clean, especially on the exterior. You'll see a half screen standard on this. Full screens and flex screens are also available on all Zen Lotus lines. The fully beveled look here on the sides and the top gives it great street appeal. It's a wonderful window. Again, with those efficiency ratings and a double pane window, it's a very, very unique window. Finally, grids are available between the panes of glass, as you see on this top sash here, to make cleaning easy, and those are available in many different configurations, such as you have now, or we can make different configurations as well. That is the Zen Lotus window by Joyce. Next, we're going to look at the Zen Nirvana by Joyce. Let's take a look at the Zen Nirvana by Joyce. The Zen Nirvana window operates similarly. Simply disengage that lock, and the bottom sash can slide up and down, as well as the top sash in a double hung window. To clean these windows, just pull those tilt latches in towards the center. You can clean the exterior of that bottom sash, and you can do the same thing with the top sash as well. Once you're done, put those back into the main frame and you are set to go. These also have the same night security latches as well, if you ever want to use those. Same feature as the Lotus. It allows that window to open just a few inches if you like. Lock that window. There are various interior colors available, various exterior colors, wood grain looks. You can look at the Zen Lotus, Zen Nirvana, and Zen Karma brochure by Joyce to see some of those different colors. Unlike the Zen Lotus, the foam filling is in the frame, it is not in the sashes, and rather than a composite reinforcement, this has metal reinforcement built into the frame. So there are a few differences between the Zen Nirvana and the Zen Lotus. I'm going to flip this window around so we can look at the exterior. All the windows by Joyce have a true sloped sill, so water gets channeled away from the home, which of course is what you'd want. And this has a half screen. Full screens are available, as well as flex screens, which fit right into this screen channel and hide away nicely. Grids are available between the panes of glass. That makes cleaning very easy. And that is the Zen Nirvana by Joyce. Finally, we're going to look at the Zen Karma. This is the Zen Karma window by Joyce. To operate this window, just disengage that lock, and the bottom sash will slide up and down nice and easily, as well as the top sash. To clean this window from the inside, your tilt latches are right here. Pull those in towards center. Clean that exterior window, and do the same thing with the top sash. Once you're done, those sashes go back into the main frame, as well as the bottom sash, and that goes down. Oh, this, I should also note, has those night security latches. When those are engaged, it allows that window to open just a few inches like those previous windows. The Zen Karma window by Joyce just comes in a cream white, this white color right here. Now I'm going to flip the window around so you can see the exterior. The Zen Karma window by Joyce is a great window for rental properties, investment properties. It's a good, steady workhorse window. Standard half screens on this window. You can upgrade to full screens if you like, and grids are available between the panes of glass. If you're curious to know the NFRC numbers for any of these windows, contact your individual Zen Windows owner in your area. And all of the windows that you've seen here, the Zen Karma, Nirvana, and Lotus windows by Joyce, carry a lifetime parts and labor warranty. We like to say that you'll never sink another dime into your window project ever again. Congratulations! By watching this short video, you've saved yourself 2 to 4 hours with a high-pressure home improvement salesperson in your home, and you're well on your way to Zen enlightenment. If you haven't already done so, head to zenwindows.com now to start your quote for the Zen Karma, Zen Nirvana, or Zen Lotus windows by Joyce. Thanks for watching.